What's going on, guys? Gary Amon here, back at it again with a new video. Hope everybody feeling safe and it's fine. Let's begin right away with this exciting news. We got a Canon Eos. We got a Canon Eos 80D right here, and as you see, this is a camera that is very well known because of the whole YouTube history that it has. I mean, great YouTubers such as Casey Neistat has used this for his vlogs. So this was the best YouTube camera back in the day. I'm very curious how this holds up now in 2020. So let's unbox it together. Ooh. Alright, first up we got here this little lens. Well, little, it's not that quite little actually. It's quite a hefty lens right here, guys. 18-135. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. What the hell? It's a huge lens, man. Alright, what else do we got here? We got a battery charger, the battery itself, a nice strap, charging cables, and let me peek real quick. And nothing else. Alright. And the camera itself. Canon Eos 80D. Woo! It's quite a... Wow. I'm so used to... Oh, man. I'm so used in like working with mirrorless cameras and going back to like DSLRs. It's just always a weird feeling, man. Ooh. It's quite a large lens. Lens camera. Look at it. How people can vlog with this, man. Huge. Ugh. Poof. Old school stuff going on here. Anyways, the grip is okay. It's not that deep or anything. I like it. I like how it feels. Let's put the little lens on it. Yes. Go like this. Up. Bam. And in Dutch we say huppakee. This is quite heavy, guys. Look at it. I feel strong holding this. I feel like a man holding this. I don't know what I just said. Anyways, let's put the little battery in it. Where do I put the SD card actually? It's also quite a large battery. The SD card is on the side, such as what I saw on the Canon Eos R. Is there any juice in this little battery? And the answer is no. No juice. No juice at all. Alright. No juice for me. Did I put it on right? Yes. Alright, so I'm gonna charge it up and then come back to you guys. And look at it, man. If somebody asked me to recommend this camera, I'm not sure, man. Feel like a dinosaur or something. Let's wait for a couple of seconds and then we'll see. Alright, and this is the image what you see straight out of the camera. 1080p, 25 frames per second from the Canon Eos 80D. So how does the autofocus work? It should work pretty fine. Because of the dual pixel autofocus, it looks pretty fine, I think. I see that it's focusing on my face, so that's good. Let's zoom in a little bit. Zoop. Yeah, that's all. Looks really good to me. And it focuses on my face really well. So that's all, guys. Subscribe to the channel to see the full review of the Canon Eos 80D, and let me know in the comment section down below what you want to see. And my main question is this still worth buying in 2020? So in order to find that out, I'm going to test this camera to the fullest for a bunch of things, not only for video of course, but mostly for photos, and just to see how versatile this camera is, right? And if the image quality is actually really good. So subscribe to the channel to see the full review, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Stay safe, stay healthy. Good luck.